Rep 95 crates, so yeah, you might see my like never mind, let's just get to it. Uh, uh, I need to try and unlock some reps. Oh, I got a pink one, more not bad. Pink tiger. Ooh. Okay. Mm, I'm getting low rims now. It's starting to get annoying. Ugh. 1,000 cash, not bad. I'm gonna be exploring. I'm trying to unlock a purple one. Unlock one of my rare ones. Oh, I got a weird dragon. Oh, I got gold rim. I'm getting luckier. Oh, gosh, man, I got pretty lucky on another purple one. Oh my god, thing. Another weird headlight tint. Like, I keep getting them in the boxes. I got them 5 times in a row and it was so annoying. Another rare one! Wow, I'm getting some weird stuff. Wow. I'm going on weird rap. I've actually got one weird raps. Wood surfboard. 20,000 cash. A custom detail. I'm going to call it a pro. No. No, I can't even. Oh, it still works. Sorry about that. Okay, we won 100,000 cash. Okay. Ooh, that'll be rare. Another one. Oh, I'm starting to come up some dumb ones now. Oh, except for the cash they're helping me give more money. Another gold. Yeah, no, that's not a good one. I'll just have to drag. Oh, I got a weird paint.
Hello.
Oh my gosh. Sorry that was my little bro. He ruined it, but never mind, I'm still going. Another weird one. Wow. Okay, well, another money and I'm getting lots. Ugh. Okay. I'm starting to get dummy ones now. Oh, that's a weird whip. Oh, I got another weird one. Ow. Oh my gosh, I got another rare one. Can you stop that? It's making me so feel lucky. Another modern camo. Oh, I got quite a sniper. Not anime fan. More of a racing fan, plus a pixel fan, and a realistic fan. For that look beer. A purple crystal, that's not even rare. Another red headlight tint. Oh, I got Tokyo Police! Oh, I've been opening a lot of boxes to get you. And I got the Tokyo Police. Now I got huge cargo. Work. Oh, I got another Riri-Kokaua one. No blue steel. Another 200 bucks. Oh, I got a VX slot. Ooh. 500,000 cash. X-Chan. Blue, another one, blue steely. Oh my gosh, got another weird hope you've been, hope the crate's been saving for last. I'm thinking it's gonna give me a dumb one. Yeah, it just gave me a lot of rims, but at least I got one of the lucky ones. They got me a gold rims, I got me those rims. I got one of the other ones. I only got like 4 rare rims. And I have these rare ones too. Wow. That is technically cool. I'm gonna check out the weapons. Like a custom wrapping. A shelter. Whoa. The World War II, Wonka. Oh my god, Tokyo. These were this. The Tokyo Kui Sniper. And get back to where? Here we go, Weird Dragon. Woo! That actually look pretty nice. I'm actually gonna pull it back. So yeah. So I hope you liked my video, and yeah. Bye.